How to open Scotiabank account. First, you have to go to a search engine and in the search bar type in start right open Scotiabank account online. Now you have to go to this website that says open a Scotiabank international account. Now that you are redirected to this page, you have to click on check your eligibility and apply. You'll see a list of countries, and if you don't see your country, then at the bottom you can see my country is not listed, but sadly if that is the case, then you cannot create a Scotiabank account. But if you do see your country, you just have to click on it. After that, click on apply now. Now you have to scroll down and select the type of account that you want to create. I'll be selecting the saving account. After that, you just have to click on start. Here you can see for you to create your Scotiabank account, it is a 5-step verification process. For the first one, you just have to fill in your personal information like your name, DOB, email address, country, your phone number, your passport information, and you have to select if you are coming to Canada. Once you have finished all the verification steps, then your Scotiabank account will be successfully created. There you have it. That is how you open Scotiabank account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.